Okay, good morning, class. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Please all stand for the prayers and very look and please lead the prayers.
Lord, thank you, Lord God, for this wonderful afternoon. Lord, help us to understand
Please don't speak. Before we are going to start our class, may I request everyone to please stand for an exercise, and may I request Marie to remove please.
Okay. Okay, classmates, just follow up while I'm doing. Okay. Stretch your hands. Make a small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big circle, classmates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Let us give Maria a big Stay present if your name is called. Melo Bayan.
Present.
James Utol. Present. Jonathan Deriada. Jean-Marie.
Present, sir.
I am so glad that everybody is present. So, who among you here can tell us what is our lesson yesterday?
Sir.
Yes, Marie?
About
Can you please
color.
stand up?
Sorry. About color, sir.
Very good. Our lesson yesterday is about colors, and let us have a continuation of our class. I have here a two illustrations. So, which of the two images that is attractive in your eyes? The pictures have
The
a
right side, sir.
So you choose the second picture. Very good. Because color can add more beauty in your drawing, and it will also give a market value in your drawing. So there are kinds of color pigments. There are 5 color pigments. Can you please name at least one, Marie?
Preliminary color, sir.
Very good. Preliminary colors. For you, what is preliminary color?
A kind of single color, just like orange, I like blue, yellow, and red, sir.
Very good. Another one? Yes, Jonathan?
Intermediate color.
Intermediate color. For you, what is intermediate color?
A color resulting of combining primary color and secondary color.
Yes, very good. Another one. Yes, James, secondary color. The secondary color. Yes. Can you please define what is secondary color?
The secondary color is combining the two primary colors. Example, the orange is resulting of red and yellow. That is the primary color.
Okay, very good. And another one, yellow.
Tertiary colors, these are the colors that mixing two binary colors together. Examples are rushes and the olive.
Very good. And the last one we have the quaternary colors. These are the colors, are the output of mixing two tertiary colors. So I have here a color wheel. This is the color wheel. So, can you please pinpoint what are the primary colors, Marie? Can you please go here in front?
Okay, Pastor, what I said just a while ago, the primary color is red, blue, and yellow.
Very good. The 3 primary colors are the red, blue, and yellow. So, can you please go here in front, James, and point 1 to 5. So, what are the secondary colors?
Like what I said before, earlier, the secondary color is combining the primary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And the secondary color is combining the two primary. Example, red and yellow, combining these, we can make an orange.
So the secondary colors are the green, the orange, and the violet. So another one is the intermediate color. Can you please go here in front, Jonathan, and point at the intermediate color? So by definition, intermediate color is a result of combining primary colors and secondary colors. For example, yellow and green equals to yellow green, or yellow and orange. It equals to yellow orange. So this is the example of intermediate color. Very good. So let us give them a big round of applause. Your answers are all correct. So I have here some problem, and you have to go here in front and answer each question. So Marie, can you please answer number 1? Blue plus yellow. What is the color combination? What is the color if we are going to combine the blue and yellow?
Blue and
Okay. So number 2. Can you please go here in front, Jonathan, and answer number 2? Number 3, yellow. Can you please go here inside? What is the result if you're going to combine blue and green? Okay, and the last one is J. Answer number 4. The blue, the red, and the blue. We will count up the color. Okay, thank you for correcting the answer, Jay. Blue plus yellow is equal to green. Red plus yellow is equal to orange. Blue plus green is equal to
green.
and red plus blue is equal to
Violet.
Very good. So now please get 1/4 sheet of paper and let's have it. 1/4 sheet of paper.
1/4, sir?
Yes. Okay, number 1. Are you class ready? Yes. Okay. So number 1. Jonathan? Okay. Number 1 is that these are the result of combining two primary colors together. Please mind your own paper. Number 2. These colors are the output of mixing two tertiary colors. And the last number, name at least 3 intermediate colors. So pass on your paper in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All papers in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So for your assignment, bring the 3 primary colors: pink, the red, the yellow, and the blue, and also the paintbrush. Because we have an activity tomorrow. Did you get it, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, class dismissed and good day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Lorenzo.